Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine automating your lead nurturing process and freeing up hours of your time. Well, you're in luck. Today, I'll show you how to set up workflows to automate lead nurturing in GoHighLevel. So let's dive in. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account and head over to the Automation tab. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create New Workflow to get started. Now let's choose a trigger for your workflow. A trigger is what starts the automation process. Once you select your desired trigger, just click Save. Next, it's time to add actions to nurture your leads. Here are some common actions you can use. Send email. Create personalized email sequences to keep your leads engaged. Send SMS. Schedule text messages to go out at specific times. Wait. Add delays between actions so your leads aren't overwhelmed. If you want more control, you can use if-else conditions. For instance, if a lead opens an email, you can add them to one sequence. If they don't, send them a follow-up. Once your workflow is set up, it's time to test it. Run a test using sample leads to ensure everything works smoothly, and that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can automate your lead nurturing in GoHighLevel. Ready to take your lead management to the next level? Sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial today, and don't forget to schedule your kickoff call to ensure a seamless start. All the links you need are in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more GoHighLevel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.